Vati dalna khaman is a very popular snack where I grew up in Gujarat, Surat side. And today I'm going to show you very traditional version of making vateli dalna khaman. Khaman is perfect to take in a lunchbox as well. Although a Gujarati snack, khaman has become increasingly popular across India as well as in other regions with a sizable Gujarati community. Every morning, stallmen known as lariwala sell khaman to working people where I grew up. Namaste and welcome. Today I'm making vateli dalna khaman. This recipe is a very traditional Gujarati recipe made from chana dal known as split skinless Bengal gram. So let's get started. The first step is to soak the chana dal. Take 2 cups of chana dal. So I'm taking 2 cups of chana dal. Add a tablespoon of rice. Long grain rice is fine. Half tablespoon of urad dal. Mix it all. Wash chana dal really well until water runs clear. Soak chana dal for at least 4 to 6 hours or an overnight. It is recommended to soak chana dal at least 4 hours or until soft. After about 6 hours, drain out water and ready to grind chana dal. It's time to prepare the batter. Add soaked chana dal into the blender cup. To this, now add 1/4 cup of sour yogurt, dahi known as, ginger and green chili as per your taste, about a tablespoon of oil. Add water only if needed to grind chana dal and blend everything to a smooth paste. This is how I like to keep the texture of the chana dal. I'm going to take out ground mixture again into the same bowl I used for soaking the chana dal. Add about a teaspoon of sugar to enhance the fermentation. Cover and let the mixture ferment for about 8 hours or an overnight. Once you have the batter ready, allow it to ferment at least 6 to 8 hours or an overnight. Now it's time to steam the khaman. So here I have the steamer. Into the steamer pot, take about a liter of water and prepare the steamer depending on what kind of steamer you have. I have this one, so here I have the liner to go into the steamer pot and the tray. Just lightly grease the tray with oil. Be sure to grease the tray properly so that it is easier to remove the khaman once they are steamed. Heat up the steamer on a medium to high heat. And while the steamer is heating up, I'm going to add a couple of more ingredients into the batter. Here I have about a teaspoon of salt. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, haldi. Now I added about a tablespoon of oil while grinding the mixture, but again I add a tablespoon of oil, and now ready to mix everything together. Well fermented batter can be refrigerated for up to a couple of weeks or freeze for up to 3 months and use as needed. Sprinkle just a little bit of water and ready to add ENO, which is fruit salt. This is the regular variety. Add about half teaspoon of ENO. If the ENO is active, you will see lots of bubbles. Just go ahead and mix again one more time and stir vigorously to make batter fluffier and lighter. Pour the batter into the prepared greased tray. Spread the batter evenly into the tray. Tap the tray couple of times to remove all the bubbles, and then ready to place inside the steamer. As you can see, steamer is already nice and hot. Cover and let it steam. And steam for about 20 minutes. While the khaman is steaming, let's prepare the tempering known as tadka. On a high heat, take a wok, add about a tablespoon of oil. Keep the lid handy to prevent the mess. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, rye, and let them crack. And here I have the curry leaves, Mito Limro. When the seed starts cracking, cover and turn off the stove. And add curry leaves carefully. So here are the curry leaves. Add and cover immediately. Remove the wok from the stove and keep on side. After 20 minutes, turn off the stove. Immediately open the lid and look at perfectly steamed khaman. Carefully lift the steaming tray and bring down onto the heat-proof surface. The perfectly steamed khaman will leave the sides of the tray. Pour the tadka on the top. When the khaman has slightly cooled, run your knife around the edge and cut into the desired shape. Carefully take out. The first piece may break. Look at the spongy, soft khaman. Using the spatula, loosen all the khaman. And khaman is ready to serve. Look at the texture of the khaman, spongy, and look at all those pores. That shows perfectly steamed and perfect texture of khaman. Garnish khaman with coriander leaves, hara dhania, and serve with some green chili and top it up with some sev. And I can't wait to dig into this delicacy, one of my favorite. Khaman is a snack common in the Gujarat state of India, made from soaked and freshly ground chana dal or chana flour, also called gram flour or besan. Khaman generally is eaten as a snack. It is mostly served with sev, fried chilies, and chutney as a breakfast, snack, or light lunch. In some shops, it is also served traditionally in a large green leaf. Sometimes it is also garnished with scraped coconut. Khaman, often part of the Gujarati thali, traditional dish containing various components of a full meal, is very similar to dokla, in which the batter is made with a mixture of rice and lentil flour, resulting in a distinct texture and taste. Nonetheless, khaman, khaman dokla, and dokla are often used interchangeably and are synonyms with a steamed snack made with a batter composed of lentil flour or mixture of lentil and rice flours. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of bateli dalna khaman. If you like this video, please do comment below and do share with your friends. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks, and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest, Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. And you can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, YouTube app itself. You can also download Bonus Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. Thanks for watching and see you soon.